Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to walk you through the Talkie Soulful AI tutorial on the roleplay. So let's get into the video. So generally Talkie Soulful AI is just an AI chat box that you can create AI buddies that you can chat to and have conversations with them. So it's basically a chat box with the AI. So if you can download this app from the App Store or the Google Store on the Play Store. So once you have downloaded it, you can just create an account, and that's it. It's my account, so you can just create one. You don't need any. It's free to create an account. Once you've created an account, you can click on this plus icon here, so you can create characters, whether if it's a boy or girl or how do you want. You can just select it and create characters and generate the AIs that you can chat with. And also apart from that, if you go to your chat option here, so you can see all your chat history that you have previously chat before. Or if you go to your home tab here, you can browse around with different characters here. If you swipe to your left, you will see different characters here, so you can like chat with them. So you can just choose any characters here and you can just message them and chat with them, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty simple to use, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.